Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expertry Create. In this video, we will build a project communication management plan step by step. Step 1 is identify the stakeholders, the who. These are the people involved in the project. We have team members, the project manager, customers, and sponsors. Step 2 is determine information needs, the what. Not everyone needs everything. Typical needs include status reports, task updates, and emergency alerts. Step 3 is choose methods and frequency, the how and the when. Methods can include email, meetings, video calls, or instant messages. Frequency can be daily, weekly, or only when needed. Step 4 is calculate communication channels. As the number of people increases, the number of communication paths grows fast. If n is the number of people, the formula is C equals n times n minus 1 divided by 2. For example, with 5 people, we have 5 times 4 over 2, which is 10 channels. If we increase to 10 people, it becomes 10 times 9 over 2, which is 45 channels. Step 5 is assign responsibilities, the owner. Each communication item has a person responsible for sending it. Step 6 is create an escalation process. If a problem cannot be solved, we move up levels. Level 1, teammate. Level 2, project manager. Level 3, project sponsor. Finally, let's build a communication matrix. This table summarizes who gets what information, how often, and who owns it. That is your project communication management plan. When you define who, what, how, and when, communication becomes clear, and the project runs much smoother.